Hello students, in this video your first program is the time period of a simple pendulum is given by the formula time period, that means T equal to 2 into pi into square root of L divided by G, where L is length and G is acceleration due to gravity. So by using this equation you have to find time period and you have to display it. So in question they didn't give any values, so you have to accept those input variables, input values from user. Okay, so you need to accept two inputs, that is length and gravity, and then you have to calculate using this equation and display the time period. So first, if I want to accept values from a user, I need scanner class. System dot in. And now I am going to ask the user to input the variables system dot out dot println enter the length of the pendulum. So I'm giving in double L equal to, and here itself I can declare the variable. It is not necessary to declare all the variable just after the scanner class. Wherever you are using a new variable, you can just declare in that statement. So I'm declaring the L as double. So double L equal to in dot next double function, and B is capital. So next one also I'm asking the user about the gravity, acceleration due to gravity. And saving it in G variable. So now I got two input variables. Now I am going to calculate. So I'll give capital T here. T equal to, see the equation in the question, 2 into pi. What is the value of pi? 3.14. So I can give 2 into 3.14 into, there is a square root here, so I can use mathematical library function, that is math.sqrt, and inside this L divided by G. And if you want, you can put this in the bracket so that it will calculate this first, and with that answer they will multiply all these values. So I calculated capital T, that is time period. Now I am going to display time period. So the time period is capital. If you are using a scanner class, you have to use package compile it and check whether there is an error. Yeah, java dot, no syntax errors. So enter the length of the pendulum. For example, I am giving 10. Enter the acceleration due to gravity. I am going to give 9.8. So that the answer, the time period will be this thing according to the formula. So next program is write a program by using class name as employee. So I created a new class name here. So I have given a class name called employee here also to accept a basic pay. So I'm using scanner class here because I'm accepting a basic pay from the user. So I need to give util package also, and I am asking the user for the basic pay, and I'm storing in BP variable as double data type. And all these steps you have to do, right? Calculate all these steps, and finally you can display gross pay and net pay. So these two things you can display it. So till that you have to do the all calculation to find DA, HRI, PF and GP. So how to find DA? That is 30% of your BP, basic pay. So here I am giving 30.0 because it is in double format, divided by 100.0, that means 30 by 100 into BP. So you are doing every steps, and finally you are calculating gross pay and net pay also, and finally you are printing that statement. So we'll compile it, run the program. So enter the basic pay, I'm giving 10,000. The gross pay and net pay is calculated.